PDR coming at you here with a very nice car. It's a Mercedes GLK. I don't even know what is it, a GL550, and I think it's a 17 or an 18. A real nice brand new car. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I've got the microphone system on, and we're doing this little dent right here. I've got my wedge and my guard in there. The front window is a laminated glass. The rear window isn't, so it gives me a little bit of leeway. And I think it does have a little scuff in the middle of it, but let me just get up in here, guys, and start doing this dent. It might be a real quick video for you. I've got number one all the way down there, and it's almost as far as number one will go. So the reach is like at the end of the tool, but since I know I can get right into it with number one, why not just take the time, take it real slow, and make our pushes. I think we've got about 4 or 5 good ones to make through the center of this. It's a very intricate little tiny dent, but on such a nice car, it has to be done right. And I just babied that sucker out. Let me see if I can get that last little pocket, which is the tug in it. Maybe I need to get a little bit different angle. I'm being very careful to not put too much pressure on this window, because rear windows in German cars are tight, very tight. But at this point in the videos, when I say I sure do appreciate everybody that clicks on this video, and thank you to all of our new subs. That dent just came out all the way, and I think what we ended up with is a little scuff. And oddly enough, I don't know where my Perfect-It is, so I'll either grab some cheaper wax and just buff on that scuff. Yeah, and I would say that's all we're seeing right there is that little scuff. I could get in and maybe make a little bit more of a push to kind of flatten that last little bit out. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay again. The microphone is moving all around, but yeah, now that I get the fog on it, I can kind of come right back in and flatten that dent out, but it does have a scuff in the paint, and I don't have my wax with me, I think. I honestly think I left it at somewhere. And now I remember where I left it, but that's neither here nor there. I think this dent came out really nice. One clip, got it all. I'll just buff that little scuff off and call it good, but definitely it came out nice and straight. You know, that's what I call the difference between a dent and no dent. You know, it's a nice thing that this is a white car, because once we pull off the board, it's literally impossible to find other than looking for that little scuff where I think it was right around there, but yeah, and then what's that? Yeah. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for sticking with us through this little short video. Banged out a quick little dent on this, and we'll catch you in the next one. Other than that, I'll just say the thing. This has been PDR, and I'm out. Peace.